Orere Bura nene irathi na mbere kura icigo itiganite guku bururi-ini na gucungiriria miihuro ya Maai iria iratiga Akenya matari na Ciikaro. Mutongoria wa bururi Iria Ruto ni macemanitie na atongoria matiganite niguo gwetha kihonia kigie miihuro ino.
And therefore it is important for us to be proactive in terms of what interventions can we make.
Akiaria ari thingira-ini wa iregi mucemanio uria uikinyitio ni munini wake Rigathi Gachagua hamwe na gikundi kia multi agency team. Ruto ni augite no nginya methe kihonia kia miihuro ya Maai hamwe na guteithiriria Akenya aria magumirwo guku bururi-ini.
With Governor yesterday, I had a conversation with the DG of NIS. I had a conversation with the Ministry of ASAL and the CS Malonza. And so I think in that context, what are the flashpoints?
Ona gukiri ugo Ruto Nioritie andu aria makoretwo magiikara Ciikaro iria Cigumiirwo ni Miiyuro Makorwo Magithamira Mugandaini uria Waheanirwo kuri Maabitha a NYS undu uria Oritie Maabitha acio Makorwo Makimetikiria Nginya Riria Bura ino igathira.
Our citizens living in very dangerous places, and those are the most vulnerable at this point. We need to, with certainty, understand, and I'm sure, and I'm happy the Minister for Energy is here, so that we can begin to inform citizens if they are in places that poses danger to them, we begin to relocate them. I already told the National Youth Service to provide some land for us to relocate some of the people who are in the most dangerous parts of Nairobi.
Na kuona mbura ino no iguthie na mbere kura icigo itiganite guku bururi-ini, Ruto ni augite ni makunyitanira na ministry itiganite niguo gwetha kihonia niguo guteithiriria Akenya na kunyihia hathara iria makoretwo magitungio ni miiyuro.
And how do we ahead of time deal with those flashpoints? How do we mobilize members of the national government administration to support all this effort? Interior should be at the center of it.
Nioritie Minister wa Ugitiri Makorwo makinyitanira niguo guteithiriria Akenya na njira nene iria mangihota makiria kaunti ya Machakos iria igumiirwo na njira nene niguo kunyihia hathara guku bururi-ini.
I also asked the military, and I'm happy the Minister for Defense is here, to provide some of the capabilities they have to support citizens. I was very happy yesterday they worked with our teams in different parts of the country, including Machakos and other areas. So I think we just need to put everybody on the alert.
Handu-ini ha Muthigi TV, Getwo King'ori, Wagatudu.